Hopefully, you are still locked in and ready to deep dive into using Chat GPT. Let's cover 10 tips. Remember, one of the best ways to succeed is know the capabilities of your tools. Ask anything, search bar. This is where you type your questions or requests to Chat GPT to get answers or help with tasks. Attach button. Use this button to upload files that you want Chat GPT to analyze or reference in your conversation. Search button. Click this to submit your query or request after typing in the search bar. Reason button. This button helps Chat GPT explain the thought process behind its response or give reasoning for the answer. Summarize text button. Use this to get a brief, concise summary of a longer block of text. Surprise me button. Click this to get an unexpected or random response from Chat GPT for a fun or creative experience. Make a plan button. Use this to have Chat GPT help you create structured plans or schedules for tasks, projects, or events. More button. Click this to view additional options, settings, or responses that might not be immediately visible. Brainstorm button. Use this button for generating ideas or collaborating on creative solutions to problems. Voice button. Click this to enable voice interaction, allowing you to speak and hear responses from Chat GPT.
Each AI will have something different to offer. Explore them all. Use ChatGPT as a personal assistant. You can ask ChatGPT to remember specific details like your preferences or goals for future conversations. This helps tailor responses over time. Set reminders for future chats. Ask ChatGPT to keep track of tasks or projects and reference them in future conversations, making it easier to stay organized. Be mindful of information sharing. If there's sensitive information, make sure you're comfortable with ChatGPT remembering it, as it will use it to enhance future conversations. Experiment with different tones. If you need a specific tone, e.g., casual, formal, professional, ask ChatGPT to tailor its responses accordingly. Use the Plan button for organization. For structured tasks or projects, the Make a Plan button helps create clear, actionable steps to follow. You can paste text into the chat, and ChatGPT can help proofread or suggest improvements for grammar, spelling, and style. If you need help finding ideas, simply ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. You can say, "I need help coming up with ideas for project topic." If you're confused about a topic, ask ChatGPT to explain key concepts in simpler terms, e.g., "Can you explain concept in a way that's easy to understand?" Just like any new skill, using ChatGPT regularly can help you get more comfortable and discover how to ask better questions over time. Make it a habit to practice daily by exploring different topics, trying new features, or asking follow-up questions to refine your understanding. AI is a powerful tool, and the more proficient you become with it, the more opportunities you'll uncover to simplify your tasks, boost your income, and unlock new possibilities in every area of your life. Embrace the potential and watch how it opens doors to a brighter, more efficient future.